If you're a Forex trader and you have no idea about what is support and resistance levels, or even if you're a binary options trader, but you want to understand the support and resistance level termination, then this video is actually for you. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a tutorial as to what is support and resistance for Forex traders. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification for every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. All right, everyone, and I want to start by telling you exactly what is support and resistance. Because look, it's been a while since a lot of people are actually since I posted a video in regards to Forex trading, and you probably forgot about what is support and resistance levels. So therefore, what I'm going to do is just explain you first, what do I mean about support and resistance level? Then you can really understand what I'm going to teach you then when the charts, okay? So this is how markets usually move during the day, right? For instance, just gonna leave it right there. Now, a support level is actually the line or the level that actually goes at the lowest point of the chart right here. And a resistance level is the actual movement of the market or where the price reaches the highest level. There you go. So basically right here, we are talking about a resistance level, and a support level. Does that make sense? Support level is below and resistance level is above. Now, what happens when this resistance level gets broken, right? And this looks like a new resistance level, right? Why? Because it's the highest point and this is a new resistance level right here. What happens is that whenever the price or the resistance level gets broken, this becomes a new support line and this becomes a new resistance line. Does that make sense? If it happens again, then this becomes a new support line and this becomes the resistance line. Is that clear? Let me know in the comment section if that explanation is actually clear. The exact same thing happens if it's the opposite, right? If the price is going down, then this is a support line, right? It goes back up again, touches the resistance, and then boom, it breaks the support line, right? Then it does this, then it breaks this one, then it goes like this, and then he breaks this one and continues. What this is about is this is the resistance level. This is the support level, right? This is the support, right? He touched right here, it bangs back up. This is the resistance, right? Now, if it breaks it, this becomes the new resistance. And this is the new support. Since it got broken, the same line becomes a new resistance level, and this is the new support. If it breaks back up, what happens? This becomes the new support line, and this is the new resistance line again. Does that make sense? I know it sounds confusing, but if you find it really confusing, then I do recommend you to go back into the video, try to rewind it, and then you're gonna fully understand exactly what it is. Now, in order for me to actually show you what is a support and resistance level, I decided to do it with the actual real charts that we have available. In this specific case, we're gonna use euro against the dollar. Now, what happens is that the first thing that I'm going to do is actually start on a daily chart. And this is what you should do. In order to find good support and resistance levels on your charts, you do need to start with the daily chart. Okay, what is it that we're going to be doing? We're going to be drawing horizontal lines onto what we think it's a good support and resistance level. This is definitely a good resistance level. It's the highest point of the chart. You see that? Now, we want to find the best support and resistance level on what we are looking at specifically right now in the chart. This is a good support level, as you can see. And here we're going to find the best resistance level, which I would say it's around right here. You can see that the price has been respected here. It got broken here. Then it's slightly respected here. Then it broke right here. But then this one became a good support line. Then it broke right here and it became a support line as well. And so on. Got respected right here. Now, in order to be more, like a little bit more picky when it comes to actually doing this, I do recommend you to actually go ahead and use the weekly charts. Once you already draw the actual support and resistance levels, then you can go into the weekly chart and really find the long-term support and resistance levels. You see right now I moved it to 1.95. If I go back to the daily chart, these are the actual support and resistance levels. Even this one goes a little bit lower. It goes to this area. This is the real support line. Does that make sense? Let's go back to the weekly and you're going to find it right here. These are the levels. It got broken right here. It got broken right here. But it's part of the game, okay? So once you actually have the support and resistance level in the actual daily chart, you can actually, we're gonna rewind and see right here. Here, we identify this support and resistance level, right? So what we have to be looking at is if you're gonna be trading with support and resistance, it's gonna be a short position in this area. It really depends on what you want to be looking at. Depending on the ATR, you're going to be able to determine what is the stop loss, right? But you do know that the take profit might be this level. Why? Because it's the next support line, right? And if you're going to be looking at a long position, what you're going to be looking at is actually at the moment that this breaks through. How do you know if the resistance or support is actually broken? If the candlestick closes above the actual, this specific support and resistance, and the next one closes without touching the new support level. If this one closes above, there's still a chance that it will retract. So you only enter if the next candle actually closes without touching it. So we're going to play it right now and see how this one actually goes. If it touches again, that's when you enter, right? If it touches this level, then you enter for a buy position. Right now, as you can see, it was a put or a sell position, right? Then it's going down a little bit. Then you can manage and move your stop loss, you know, do some trailing stop and so on. Right now, it's going back up, back down. I'm sorry. There you go. Boom. Take profit. You guys see it right here. It touched the take profit level. So that's at 3.52. Obviously, right now, I'm just pretty much guessing what will be the stop loss level, right? Here's the deal. Here is a good resistance support level. So therefore, then you can enter a long position right in this candle. Boom. And what is the take profit? Is this one right here. The stop loss, we're going to just leave it as it is. In order to determine the stop loss, you remember that you do need to use the ATR. So take a look. This is the daily chart, right? Let me just go ahead and speed it a little bit more. You almost reached the breaking even level. Let me stop it because it's not really going into the target. And boom, it touched the take profit in this candle right here. So far, 2 win positions, right? Easy peasy. And now what you do is that you enter a short position right here. Again, what does your take profit? Is again the lowest level, the next support line, right? And we're going to leave this as it is. It doesn't really matter. We're going to enter right now. And boom, what happened right here? It touched the stop loss, and this candle right here identifies me that this is the new support and resistance area. Okay, so what is it that you do? You're gonna enter a long position whenever the support line is actually, this was the resistance line, now is the support line, right? Whenever that is actually touched is when you're gonna enter. If you miss it, it's fine. If it touches right here, like it did, This one, it wasn't not applicable, right? But if it touches this level, that's when you actually enter for a short position. Now, this is when you actually can have some pending orders placed. Okay, why? Because you do know that the price is actually going to reach that level. So therefore, you can just have some pending order placed right there. So this is not applicable. We lost this one. We have 2 wins, 1 loss. Now, boom, it hit the take profit. What do you do now? You enter a long position right here. Take profit is right here. Stop loss is somewhere around here. Doesn't matter. And then you wait. You can just go ahead and use trailing stop all the time to either break even or finish with some profits. It's really up to you. Right now, he actually hit the stop loss, but in my specific case, I would have closed my position around this area with a 4.39 risk reward ratio, and this would have been a winner. Why? Because the price was not going to reach that level back up again. But now you see that it broke the the support level, and therefore there's a short opportunity right here. Obviously, it was not this one because we were waiting this as a confirmation, but there's a brand new option to actually enter the position right here. So we wait, and boom, there you go. It touched the level, so therefore it entered a brand new trade. Now it's dropping. And I'm not sure if it's going to reach again the support line. No, it broke already the resistance line. Therefore, again, your specific trailing stop is what is going to take you to this level, right? You need to know exactly when to close it and apply some different indicators, such as this indicator right here, stochastic, in order to understand when to close certain trades. Now, these are swing trades. As you can see right now, these are swing trades, but this can easily be applied as well as a day trading activity. Okay, what do I mean by this? Swing trading versus day trading. Swing trading is basically a trade that you place. For instance, this one, you enter in this level right here on August the 20th, and you closed it on September 23rd. So it was pretty much 1 month away, almost 1 month away from one position to the other. And this one right here is on the 28th, September 28th, and it got closed up until November the 20th. So these are swing positions. It's really up to you if you want to go with those swing positions. Does that make sense? But you can also apply the exact same strategy for day trading. Day trading basically is 1 hour candles. So that basically means that you place a position in the morning and it's going to be closed in the afternoon. So hopefully that actually makes sense as well. Now, I do want to recommend you a couple of additional indicators, and that is the EMA of 200 and the EMA of 50. Why? Because those indicators are actually going to tell you when the price might continue on an uptrend or a downtrend, but this is just an additional confirmation. And as well, the RSI and the stochastic will actually tell you when the price is looking it's being oversold, and therefore is going to continue dropping. So it's super important that you keep those indicators in mind. I'm going to make a different tutorial in these indicators. In case you're interested, let me know in the comment section below. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video, and if you did, smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. And more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, make sure you use the comment section below, and my team will be happy to reply to you. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.